Here in the garage today. This is my found object sculpture. Weld table. So this started off as some rusty scrap, not ideal, pitted metal. If you zoom in really close here, you can see that the wire brushing took most of the pitting off, but there's still plenty of pitting on there. But we could still get shiny enough metal to weld. So we're gonna put our approximately 3 foot by 4 foot piece of 1/2 inch steel on top. So this table will probably weigh between 500 or 600 pounds when I'm done. So yeah, let's see what we can do. Let's weld it. Look, I heard tack weld break. Well, that's pretty terrible. Dirty metal, dirty metal. Welding's done. Rusty, dirty metal. Yuck. But, you know, it'll hold the top on. Let's flip it over and see how flat it is. Now we got the table upright. And a wire brush. This good old rusty metal top. Safety! So a bit of wire brushing and sanding. The table is mainly complete. This is all I'm going to do for today. I'll add all the hooks and everything later. Got our Weaver mag drill off of the Weaver online store. This thing was about 250 bucks shipped. Angular cutter off of eBay. It was about $20. And I made a template for my hole pattern on my plasma table. So I'm going to drill holes along here, then I can just take the next hole, pin it, and I'll have my hole pattern to line up the drill every time. So let's see how she do. Weaver mag drill is starting to wear a little, and my eBay China special 5/8 angular cutter failed on the 185th hole. So I was wondering how far I'd get. The answer is 184 holes. This is 1/2 inch steel plate, and I was putting holes where the tabletop was welded to the legs and some of the cross bracing. So it was doing some interrupted cutting. Might have lasted longer had it not been doing that. The slides on the Weaver mag drill, since there's no lock on the ways there, is tight when you get it, and after 184 holes, 5/8 holes, you could tighten the ways a little more, so I may do that just to give it a little more tension. I am exhausted. Drilling all these holes, chamfering all these holes, deburring the bottoms, coating the table with boiled linseed oil. And by the table, I just mean the legs and the frame. I just used WD-40 on the top. Mad respect to all the homies out there building their weld tables, because this is a lot of work. This took forever. But now we're done. And now I have my awesome weld table, the perfect size and configuration for the work that I do here. Let's have a look.